Alright guys, so my customer also brought his generator. One of the legs got broken off, so he's asking me if I could put a leg on there. So I'm just gonna take the other leg off and make it look even. So this is what it looks like right now. So that's the leg that he has right there, and then he's missing a leg over there. So we're gonna use this right here to make two legs out of it for him. So and hopefully that works for him. That's all I can do right now. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps out this channel. And I thank you guys for supporting me. And to this journey, I thank you.
Don't say you down. You gotta stand up and fight. Got to stand up. Don't say you down. You gotta stand up and fight.